If you want to create an area gradient chart like this is how you do it. First, you're going to duplicate the total sales on the side like this. Once that's done, put your cursor anywhere on your dataset and then press Ctrl A to select the whole dataset table like this. Next, you go to Insert, Chart, Line Chart, and you're going to select Line with Marker. And then after that, resize and reposition it nicely like this. Now there's two line charts on top of each other. You're going to select any of the line charts. Just click on the line chart like this and then go Chart Design, and over here change chart type. This one will come up here. Select Combo, and we're going to change the blue line into stack area chart like that and click OK. And next, to do the gradient, right click on the area chart like this and then go Format Data Series. Go Fill and Line. Under this Fill section, if it's closed, open it up like that. Select Gradient and you're done.